What if I told you that there's one habit that you can do today which is going to drastically help you overcome binge eating? And the cool thing is, anyone can do this starting today, absolutely free. But first, I need to warn you, I'm not a doctor, a scientist, or anywhere in the medical industry. I'm just someone sharing with you what works for me and what I hope is going to work for you. So, if you struggle with binge eating, that is, you eat more than you want to stop, and you've been trying for a long time and things have not been working well for you, this video is going to help you. But first, why should you listen to me? Well, because I used to struggle with this myself. I remember a few months ago, I used to eat so much food that my stomach would literally start to hurt. I almost developed ulcers from eating too much. And I remember this time where I actually called my mom to explain to her the situation. So things have really gotten bad when you are asking your parents for advice on how to stop overeating. And that is where I was. Maybe your situation is not really that deep. Maybe you just want to eat a little bit less food so that you can lose weight, but you've been failing at doing that. Or maybe you really eat so much that you're starting to get disgusted by yourself and you want to stop. I want to tell you that this habit that I'm going to teach you is going to help you no matter where you are. And that habit is practicing mindfulness. Other people call this meditation, which is to just sit down, close your eyes, and do nothing for 10 to 15 minutes. Do that every single day because this is going to help you develop self-awareness. And what is self-awareness? Well, that is noticing your thoughts before you act on them. So the thing is, most of the times you think of binge eating, and before you know it, you are already eating, bro. And you want to stop, but you just cannot stop. So when you meditate, you train your body to know that there is a difference between getting the thought to eating and actually eating. And also, meditation is being shown scientifically to strengthen your prefrontal cortex. What is that? Well, that is the area of your brain that is responsible for decision making. And when you meditate, this area becomes stronger and more active. That means the next time you are deciding whether you want to eat or you want to not, you will have the power to say, no, I'm not going to eat. It is simple as that. And you are thinking, well, how long do I need to meditate every day if I want to lose weight? I mean, if I want to overcome binge eating. And the answer is you need to meditate long enough that is outside your comfort zone, but short enough that you can actually complete it. That's what you should do. So personally, every morning I wake up and I meditate for 15 minutes. And then before I go to sleep, I aim for 10 minutes. Like I aim for 15 minutes and then I aim for 10 minutes. Of course, sometimes I cannot fully complete it, but my goal is to do 15 minutes every single morning and 10 minutes before I go to sleep. This is really going to help you to develop self-awareness and the ability to control yourself. And when you know how to control yourself, it's very, very easy to stop yourself from overeating. So if you have been trying to stop eating and it's been hard, try this and tell me how it goes. I can almost guarantee that if you do this for about 2 weeks to 1 month, you're going to start to feel the results. But the big results are going to come when you've been doing this for even for about 3 months. But trust me, you're going to see results faster than you expect. Faster than you hope, but slower than you expect. Just try doing it. I guarantee you it's going to help you more than you think. See you at the top.